Yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Mighty Mo here, and I'm finna react to Lil Yachty's new song. Alright, I'm pretty sure his song is Endless. He just posted on Lyrical Lemonade. I want to be one of the first people to react to it. Let's do it. Wait, hold on. We're already starting off crazy. Let me put this bitch full screen, though. Hold on. Hold on. Bro, he has the best visuals out of any rapper ever. His shit's so tough. Yeah. Oh my god, oh my god. Bro, he hasn't even said it, he hasn't even really said anything yet, bro. I can just imagine myself cruising downtown in my little whip, bro. You know, my little busted out Honda, bro. Bro, I can just imagine that shit. Ooh, ooh, bro. You even gotta say, Lil Yachty can make a song without saying words, bro. The like harmonizing and melodicizing that he does, bro, is so like it's next level, bro. No cap. I'm not even glazing, bro.
Before they start posting, she start asking where he is, I'm ghosting. I'm stepping outside, I'm boasting. Got hoes in the pool, I'm hosting. I that waffle bus in Houston. Never come in the air, I'm toasting. These rap niggas never been friends to me. I stole myself from coasting. She cute, her head is big, but her booty is bigger. I'm thinking about posting. She broke, no way that he roasting.
Oh, yo, nah, his shit, bro. Bro, he just dropped another one. He just dropped another one. He dropped bars.
Me and my gang, we step like Trojans. This kid had her like on. Me and my twins to get like Olsen's. Go first before they start posting. She start asking where he is, I'm ghosting. I'm stepping outside, I'm boasting. Got hoes in the pool, I'm hosting. I that waffle bus in Houston. Never come in the air, I'm toasting. These rap niggas never been friends to me. I stole myself from coasting. She cute, her head is big, but her booty is bigger. I'm thinking about posting.
Ooh.
Bigfoot, stepper, Hogan. Bitch know we don't run for the emotion.
R.I.P. Hulk Hogan.
Go stupid. My gun on me, I use it. He built like that, then prove it.
Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
Bitch don't call my phone, I don't need shit. Yeah, I'm down. Replace my teeth with stones. Flawless BBs, having that zone. Having that mode. Having that, I'm gone. I'll always fucking follow you. I'm gonna pull up, just drop me a low. Sticky as ever, I'm gone. Before you get a chance to
My ears are blessed.
Give me a cuss, they cold. Know about you, but I stay throw. Bitch, fuckers, I die rich, I don't care about gold. This shit ain't gold. Rapping around his gun, he think he cool, he scaring the hoes. He fake ass tough ass niggas be scaring the hoes. You tryna be gangsta niggas be scaring the bitches.
Yeah, tell him.
If I can't like be pull up on sixes.
Tell him, bro. All y'all fake YNs out there, I'm talking to you, bro. You be scaring the hoes, bro. Hoes don't like that. Like good females don't like that shit. You feel me? Word, bro. Lil Yachty, he's spitting, bro. He talking about some, what's it called? She gotta get ass, you know, that shit fat. I'm thinking about posting. You know what I'm saying? These niggas broke as hell. I don't know why they hosting. Oh my god, no, this nigga is so tough, bro. Oh my goodness, bro. He's so tough, bro.
Both sides on my waist got switches, more like Miles Bridges. I can't eat shit cool, but I'm vicious, not superstitious. Cut out like a skin and itches, service endless.
Yeah.
Spend more on my mouth than you did with your house, go check on my dentist.
Ugh.
They don't like me, fuck them, pull up and bust them, this shit endless.
Tell him. This shit's so gas, bro.
It's me.
So gas.
For sure.
This shit's so fire, bro.
This shit forever, this shit endless.
Bro, AMD and Little Miles went fucking crazy. We gonna listen to it a little bit more. Hold on. First of all, the swag is in freaking perfect. Matches the room completely. Skin complexion matches the room. Everything matches the room. I am not glazing. This shit's fire. Yo. Yeah. Y'all peep that right there? They want to take my watch, gotta cut my wrist. God tell him I ain't going. You feel me? God know I ain't going. Word. That nigga, he ain't take, bro. What? The shit that he earned, bro. Ain't no one taking that shit from him. You feel me? If you want to take my shit, you gotta cut off my wrist, nigga. No cap, bro. Word. Tell him.
ask who he is, I'm ghosting. I'm stuck outside, I'm boasting. Got hoes in the pool, I'm hosting.
I'm stuck outside, I'm boasting. Got hoes outside, I'm hosting. Oh my god, bro.
Waffle bus in Houston. Double cup in the air, I'm toasting. These rap niggas never been friends to me. I stole myself, I'm coasting.
These rap niggas ain't never been friends to me. I stick by myself, I'm coasting. Oh no, I'ma spam this shit in my AirPods, bro, 24/7. No cap.
Her head is big, but her booty is bigger. I'm thinking about posting. No way that he roasting. Bigfoot, Stepper, Hogan.
Y'all seen that right there? He paid homage to Hulk Hogan right there. Bigfoot, Stepper, Hogan. You know what I'm saying? Hulk Hogan just died, I think like a couple months ago and shit. Bro, he broke. Don't know why he roasting. Straight up, bro. If you a broke nigga, stop roasting. You know what I'm saying? Word. Get your money up and shit. Stop worrying about another nigga. Straight up, bro. Hey, me personally, I'm a broke nigga right now. But soon enough, I'll be a rich nigga. But I know I ain't finna hate on nobody. You feel me? No cap. Regardless of my position. Word.
I talk to that girl like I'm Rogan. On that, she keep the voguing. Go down, go stupid. My gun on me, I use it.
Use it.
Feel like that, then prove it.
Hold on.
Bitch don't come out phone, I don't need shit. Yeah, I'm down.
Yeah.
My teeth for stones, flawless BBs, hopping that zone. Hopping that mode, hopping that, I'm gone. I'll always fucking before you. I'm with a pull up, just drop me a low. Sticky as ever, I'm gone.
Gone.
Before you get a chance to reload.
Low.
Keep me a cut, stay cold. Know about you, but I stay throw.
Yeah.
Rich fuckers, I doubt rich, I don't care about gold. This shit ain't gold. Waving around his gun, he can't.
Rich nigga. Wait, hold on, yo. Peep this bar, bro. Peep this bar. Niggas gonna say he just mumble rap, but nah, he spit.
Rich fuckers, I doubt rich, I don't care about gold. This shit ain't gold.
Rich nigga. I might die rich, but I don't care about gold, cause this shit ain't goals. You feel me? He had bigger goals than just being a rich nigga. And some y'all need to, you know what I'm saying, do the same thing. Money ain't everything. Once you get money, bro, that shit not everything. You feel me? You gotta have bigger goals than the bread, bro. No cap. Material possessions don't mean shit. Where?
Waving around his gun, he think he cool, he scaring the hoes. He fake that tough ass niggas be scaring the hoes. He trying to be gangster niggas be scaring the bitches.
Yeah, tell him.
If I can't like V, pull up on sixes. Most times on my waist got switches, move like Miles Bridges. I kill this shit cool, but I'm vicious, not superstitious. Cold out like the skin that itches, service endless. Spit more on my mouth than you do with your house, go check on my dentist. They don't like me, fuck em, pull up and bust em, this shit endless. It's me. For sure. No expo date, this shit forever, this shit endless.
Bro, I rate this music video, bro, a solid 10 out of 10, bro. This is one of Lil Yachty's best things. I can't lie. It's one of his best music videos and best like songs. I can't lie. He's made it in a while. I can't lie, cause he's made some good songs. Like I like Lil Yachty when he's vibey though, bro. Like, you know, Soul Steppin', Creep Boy, what's it called, Tesla, bro. I love those songs. Those are songs I can bump every single day, bro, and I won't get tired of that shit, because it just like brings a little vibe, like shit. Oh my god, I can't wait to just be alone in my whip, bro, just fucking playing this shit, have my friends in the whip playing this shit, be in my room being productive playing this shit, have a female with me playing this shit, bro. Hey, y'all should play this shit too. Shout out to Lyrical Lemonade, shout out to Lil Yachty. Without further ado, y'all boys want more videos like this, comment down below, subscribe and like. I'll see you guys next time. Let's go.